In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 1password in minutes, crafted especially for beginners looking to streamline their password management. Whether you're juggling numerous accounts or simply looking to enhance your online security, 1password can be a game changer. Let's guide you through it step by step. We begin by heading straight to the 1password website. This is your first stop, the central hub of all things 1password. By visiting this site, you ensure that you're getting the latest version of the app and the most secure access points. So, open up your web browser and enter the address bar to land at the 1password homepage. Once you're on the website, your next task is to log in. You'll see the Login option prominently displayed on the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, usually a combination of your email and a master password that only you should know. If it's your first time, you might be setting up these credentials during your registration process. Take your time here. Remembering your master password is crucial as it allows you access to all other stored passwords. Now that you're logged into your 1password account, navigate over to your 1password home dashboard. This area is where you'll manage and organize all of your sensitive information. Within this interface, you're granted the ability to streamline and control access to all of your digital assets securely and efficiently. One of the most powerful features of 1password is the use of vaults. Think of vaults as folders on your desktop. Each stores a different category of passwords and can be tailored to your specific needs. For instance, you might have a vault for personal passwords, another for work, another for shared family accounts, and so on. Organizing your passwords into vaults isn't just neat, it's incredibly efficient. Click through to explore how you can create and manage these vaults, giving you and those you choose to share access with a sense of structure and security. Finally, let's save your first login details to 1password. Start by navigating to a website requiring a login that you'd like to save. Enter your credentials, and while doing so, keep an eye out for the 1password prompt. It'll offer to save the login details for you. By confirming this, your login credentials will be securely stored within the appropriate vault, making future logins a breeze. Remember, with each new login saved, you're building a robust repository of credentials accessible at your fingertips but protected by 1password's encryption. And there you have it. Setting up 1password is a simple yet transformative step toward securing your digital life. This essential tool will not only keep your passwords safe, but also help manage them efficiently, providing convenience and peace of mind in today's fast-paced digital world. Thank you for watching, and may your online experience be as secure as it is worry-free.